Hi everyone, in today's time I'm going to show to you how to change age in Roblox. So if you go to your settings, or if you go to Roblox and then click on the settings button and go to your settings, you can see that you have your birthday here. And as you can see, you have a button here to verify your age. So by clicking verify my age, you will be completing an ID verification process operated by their third-party service provider. So basically, if you want, you can verify your age, but if you try to change your age, it doesn't work because Roblox doesn't allow you to do that. So as you can see, their official website said that the age settings cannot be changed. Roblox is committed to providing safety and privacy protection for the user. So you cannot change your age, but you can only verify it if you want. So if you want to simply change your age, you'll have to simply create a new account with a new age. So you have to simply log out, and then you'll have to simply go on and click on sign up, and then here you have to simply change your age to something else, and basically that's all you have to do. So I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.